The Bloody Mary, a classic cocktail with a mysterious past. But are you making it the right way? Today, we're revealing pro tips for the perfect Bloody Mary. Stick around for expert techniques. The history is debated. Some say it was created in Paris, possibly for Ernest Hemingway. Why tomato juice? It was used to disguise the scent of alcohol. A drink that invites creativity. You can customize it endlessly. Vodka, 1.5 ounces. The base of the drink. Tomato juice, 2 ounces. The signature ingredient for a bold, savory flavor. Hot sauce, just a dash. Adds heat and depth. Fresh black pepper and salt enhances the overall flavor. Worcestershire sauce, a few dashes for umami richness. Horseradish, fresh or prepared, adds a signature kick. Lemon juice, just a squeeze, brightens and balances the drink. Add all ingredients to a glass. Fill with ice. Use another glass to roll the mixture back and forth. Top with extra tomato juice. Stir gently to combine. Traditional, celery stalk and lemon wedge. Creative twists. Pickles, olives, crispy bacon, or even shrimp. Pro tip: a salt and spice rim can elevate the experience. Now, you know how to make the ultimate Bloody Mary. What's your favorite garnish? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert cocktail recipes. Want to master more cocktails? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for classic drink recipes and pro bartending techniques.